Hey there. So today I have this air duster to show you guys. It was sent over to me from the brand, and I love these because it can take the place of compressed canned air in cleaning off things like your computer. So with the air duster, you're gonna get the air duster itself. You're gonna get an attachment that's a little more to direct the air a little more where you want it. You're also gonna get a brush attachment. Both of these just snap right on the front of that duster. You're also going to get just a few brushes if you want to brush things off manually. You're going to get the cord to charge it with. This will charge in about 2 to 5 hours, and the battery life is shown clearly on the machine itself with the light indicators, each one being 25% of power. Finally, you're going to get a bag to store everything in when you're not using it. This is super easy to use. It's a single button on the front, and it is 3 speeds. So each time you push a button, you're going to get a higher speed. At high speed, this will run continually for about 15 minutes before it's going to be time to recharge that battery. I love using this for other things besides dusting off that keyboard. My favorite things to do with this are cleaning out the fans. Your box fans and tower fans all collect all of that dust that you can't get to without using something. And something like this high-speed turbo fan does a great job cleaning that dust out of there. Additionally, I love using it on filters that are reusable, such as this one for my vacuum cleaner. So much dust builds up there and slows down the vacuum, but this turbo duster gets all of that out of there and gives my vacuum all that power back. If you're looking for something that is great for dusting off that keyboard or cleaning out those filters and fans, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.